what, half mile?
Yeah.
I think that's what they tell you, about a half mile out. Inside the gravel pit or something, they say. He still ain't gonna get final time we get there.
That's traffic type right, 172 Quebec. Turning left to final, runway 12, touch and go.
Las Cruces traffic, experimental 8121, turning left base, runway 12, Las Cruces. Thank you.
Like your accelerated stall yet, big go there. Low airspeed, pull the little G's.
9794 Echo, taxiing to runway 12 for departure via taxiway B, holding short 826.
Las Cruces traffic, experimental 8121, turning final runway 12, Las Cruces.
Use the numbers this time.
Las Cruces traffic, Viking 904 Echo, crossing runway 826, taxiway Bravo for runway 12 departure.
So this is about, what, half mile trail with him taking off?
Yeah, I'd say so.
That'll put a test on you. Get it down. Numbers. Bad.
Little
Bad
long,
at all.
not bad. Suit you? Do another one?
Oh, it's up to you. It's kind of hot in here.
It is.
Yeah, that little velocity thing or whatever the hell it is pretty cool.
Too much for me to watch.
Oh, I know. I'd glance down at it though, you know. I'd look at the visual out the screen going, well, we're going right at the blocks. I'd look down there and they're bouncing around right on them.
Las Cruces traffic, Viking 904 Echo, taxiway Charlie, crossing runway 422 for runway 12 departure.
Got to key the mic and ask him if he's got termites. Got termites?
Those are nice airplanes.
There they are.
Smoke right along.
Engine monitor.
Las Cruces traffic, experimental 8121, clear of 12 at Delta. Did you try your camera?
It's still running.
Oh, it was running the whole time?
Uh-huh.
Oh, crap.
Las Cruces traffic, Skylane 64 Romeo Kilo, departing runway 8 at Foxtrot. Right turn up.
Las Cruces traffic, Type Ray 172 Quebec is left downwind, will be turning base, runway 12. This will be a touch and go.
guess these towers like this change color after you get above their altitude?
Yes, they do.
Las Cruces traffic, 8121's crossing 268 at Bravo.
I'm gonna say this one right here needs to be yellow. Tower's yellow.
Tower's yellow. Well, I'll go out and practice some more landings this week. What it would be interesting is to pick a spot further down runway. It's hard because there's no marking there. I'm not a big fan of landing halfway down the runway at the intersection, but it can be done.
Yeah, and you know, and realistically it may happen up there too, depending on what dot they give you.
Right.
They'll tell you, keep it in the air with a green dot or the orange dots.
There's really plenty of runway left here, so.
Oh yeah, there is there too.
Nothing else I can
Las Cruces traffic,
come to a stop.
Is short final, runway 12.
I wonder if that fuzz is keeping this up just a tiny bit to make a whistle.
Probably is.
It'll probably relax over time and be okay.
Well, hopefully.
Either that or we'll be listening to a whistle for a while.
That makes you think you're going way fast.
Hear my turbine whistling?
Exactly.